Boring tools and equipment. Boring is the process of making holes in materials such as wood and metal. It is an important operation in agriculture, especially when building animal houses, fences, gates, and tool sheds. Boring is needed because holes are required for fixing nails, screws, and bolts. Boring tools include drills and bits. Drills are tools used to hold and rotate bits when boring holes. Bits are the cutting tools and are fixed on drills. Types of drills. Hand drills. Breast drills. Bit brace. Electric drills. Bit brace. A bit brace is a drill used to hold and turn wood bits for boring holes in wood. The desired bit size is placed in the jaws and tightened by turning the chuck shell. Bit braces are mainly used for manual drilling in woodworking. Hand drill. A hand drill is used for rapid drilling of small holes in both wood and metal. It is simple, easy to use, and does not require electricity. Electric drill. Electric drills are faster and require less labor. They are used for heavy work like building large animal houses, gates, or wooden fences. Bits. Bits are cutting tools used with drills to make holes of different sizes and shapes. Common bits include auger bits, expansive bits, countersink bits, solid center bits, twist bits, masonry bits, Forstner bits. Auger bits. Auger bits have spurs and a feeding screw. The feeding screw pulls the bit into the wood. The spurs help to cut clean and smooth holes. Spurs. These are sharp points on the outer edges of the bit. They outline the hole and prevent chipping. Cutting edge. These are the main edges that remove material inside the outline. Solid center bits. Solid center bits do not have spurs. They are used for simple drilling where smooth edges are not essential. Expansive bit. Expansive bits have adjustable blades. They can bore wider holes without changing the bit. Countersink bit. Countersink bits make screw holes so that flathead screws sit slightly below the surface. This produces a smooth and neat finish. Safety precautions. Wear protective gear like goggles. Secure the material before boring. Avoid loose clothing. Handle sharp bits carefully. Care and maintenance. Clean bits after use. Oil metal parts to prevent rust. Store tools in a dry place. Sharpen dull bits. Importance of boring tools. Making holes in wood for nails, screws, or small pipes. Enlarging bolt holes in gates. Constructing new wooden structures.